Okay, I'm going to continue and I'm going to show you a problem here. I have 3/4 equals 6/8. So if the whole is the same on this, is this statement true or false? So what we're going to do is we're going to try to prove if it's true or false. So we're going to start by looking at it with multiplication. Well, let's see. 3 times what makes 6? Well, I know 3 times 2 equals 6. So, and I remember whatever I do the top, I have to do the bottom. Does 4 times 2 equal 8? Yes, it does. So that's proving it with multiplication that it is true. If I wanted to prove it with an area model, I would just draw in 3/4. So I got to have it in fourths because that's the denominator, and I'm going to shade in 3. Okay, so that's 3/4. So I should be able to make 8 pieces. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I have 8 pieces, and then I check how many are shaded in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So yeah, I just proved it with an area model. Let's look at another one of those. So if I have one that says, let's see, 3/4 again, but this time it equals 6/12. Okay, let's see if we can prove this statement true or false. Okay, so I can do 3 times 2 is 6, but 4 times 2 doesn't make 12. So I'm already thinking it's false, but I have to do it with both ways. So I'm going to do like this. Once again, I'm going to use my area model. I'm going to make it into fourths, so I can do 3/4, just like this. Shade in 3. Okay, and then let's see, I need to make 12ths. Let's see. Okay. That would be 4, and then I'd have 8, and then I have 12. Okay, so I can get 12, but look how many are shaded in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So that doesn't work. It would have to be 9/12. So it would be false. And that's how you would prove it using an area model. So I could do it, but I can't. There has to be 9 units shaded, not 6. The numerator has to be multiplied by 2. But if I did it like this, it would have to be multiplied by 3. So that does not work out. Okay. Okay, let's see if we can figure out, let's do one more of these. Let's see if we can find an equivalent fraction if I just give you a fraction. So if I just say, what's an equivalent fraction to 3/5? Well, you could start by drawing out 3/5 using an area model if you wanted to. Or actually this problem, I want you to do it without doing that, sorry. 3/5. So how could I do it without drawing an area model is my goal. Well, I know that I can come up with an equivalent fraction by multiplying the top and the bottom number by the same number. So the numerator and the denominator have to be multiplied by the same number to get an equivalent fraction. So I could just do like 3 times 2. And if I did the top by 2, I'd have to do the denominator by 2. 3 times 2 is 6. 5 times 2 is 10. So 6/10 is the same thing as 3/5. I could have done it with something else. If I wanted to just try a different one, I could have done 3 times, let's choose 4. Whatever I did to the numerator, I also have to do to the denominator. 3 times 4 is 12. 5 times 4 is 20. So 3/5 is also equivalent to 12/20.